As a security officer, working hard every day, overtime, double shift to make ends meet and pay, supporting mother, wife and children too, all while facing big penalties for moments of sleep that ensures. Helping kids with their homework, lending a hand, supporting your wife as she pursues her dreams and plans, studying medicine to secure a better future ahead, but demanding more than you can give, leaving you feeling misled. Despite your efforts, the strain begins to show, the stress and pressure starting to grow. Your wife leaving, taking with her your love, leaving you with nothing but heartache and the stars up above. Turning to drugs to numb the pain within, losing everything and sure of where to begin. The weight of it all bearing down on your shoulders, feeling like the world is getting colder and colder. But through it all, remember you are strong, even when everything seems to grow wrong. Seeking, helping and support to heal and mend, starting anew with hope around the bend. So take heart, dear security officer. Don't lose sight of the strength within you, shining bright. A new chapter waits with lessons to be learned and a brighter future for which you've earned as a security officer.
By Fana Bhengu.